Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and doing well. So in today's video, Christmas house decoration ideas. Modern words. This Christmas for modern with your words. Simple, minimal greenery and soft lights, elegant silk and totally on trend, perfect for cozy apartment or stylish home. Listen beautiful, more warm and heartfelt. Every word to tell a story of love, warmth and togetherness as you with the branches and tie the ribbon. You're crafting memories that last. It's not just decoration, it's a symbol of home, hope and holiday joy. Hang it proudly and let your heart glow with Christmas traditional style. Want to make your own Christmas path? Let's get started. Grab some pins and base and your favorites ornaments, swap glue and decorate with ribbon, berries and tiny lights. It's fun, creative and the perfect way to bring handmade magic to your home this season. And friends, country style. Dreams called the countryside charm to your Christmas decoration. Make a rustic bath with dreams, burlap, pin cones, and dry orange. Simple, natural, and beautiful. Perfect, just like the spirit of the holiday. Fill your home with warmth and handmade love this Christmas. And your friends, magical lecture home spark with a little Christmas magic. Craft your walls with lights, glitter stars and soft pins. Add a touch of red ribbon and gingerbread and then a spark of holiday cheer. Hang it on your door and watch Christmas truly begin here. Vintage classic charm. Step back in time with a touch of classic Christmas charm. A worth of fresh pins, golden bells, and a ribbon, timeless and elegant. Hang it on your front door and feel the magic, timeless and elegance. Because some traditional never fades, and they just get more beautiful each year's work. Decorate its worth time, pins, ornament, ribbon and spark all around. Quick to make, fun to design and perfect for your door. Bring the joy home one worth at a time. And friends,